Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bianca, also known as Dr. My Curls. So today's video is a follow-up to a brand that I've done a video on before. Actually, I've done two videos on Athena before, so definitely check those out. But today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all my newest bag from them. I honestly love the brand. I stand, okay? This
account, we stand for Athena. Period.
Get your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges lay, curls popping. She's a doctor of pharmacy.
So first things first, history. Y'all know on my channel I always like to give history behind the brand. That kind of helps me connect to the owner, to the purpose of the brand, and all the things. So Athena was actually founded in 2021, so it's a fairly new brand. It is a black owned business by a male. Love that. His name is actually Dante, but he also goes by Lucci the designer, because he hand designs all of his bags. Like, when I say hand design, he literally sketches them. He formulates how he wants to design a look up here, and then puts it to paper, sends it to his manufacturer, and they make something shake, and boom, here we have it. So I love that every piece is uniquely designed, and there's a story behind each piece. So if you don't already follow him on Instagram, I highly recommend it. He does a lot of lives where he'll show, like, this is the design that I'm thinking about sketching for Valentine's Day, or this is what I have coming up for Christmas, this, that, and the third. And I feel like that helps connect you as a consumer. I honestly feel like I know the person behind the brand, which I love that. If you also love that, definitely check out his Instagram page and turn on your notifications for when he goes live. It's the whole vibe. So anywho, he also came up in New Orleans, I want to say. His About Me section on the website is very in-depth, but long story short, he didn't grow up with a lot, and I feel like that has a lot to do with why he does what he does. Like, he gives to a lot of charities, he donates his bags, he donates like school supplies, all the things to those in need, because he was also a person who didn't have a lot growing up. And I just, my heart, like, that just warms my heart, because I too love giving back to those who are less fortunate. And for you to come up and not forget where you came from, like, let's give it up. Let's give it up. So say all that to say, I truly appreciate the owner and the brand and all that it stands for. So let me go ahead and get into it, because I know y'all waiting. I know y'all waiting to see this bag. So let's go ahead and jump into the packaging. Packaging, top tier. Like, not even gonna hold you, top tier. If you saw my last video, y'all already know what it's bringing, okay? So you get this beautiful bag that I actually still have in my closet, and I have the other one from my previous bag as well still in my closet. And when you hold it up, you have this beautiful 100% suede bag with the Athena screen print logo here. The packaging alone gives me lux. Like, that black and gold, baby, she hits different. So once you take her out of the bag, y'all ready to see what I got? She's so beautiful. So this bag, ignore this little piece, I'm gonna explain that in a second, child. That didn't come with the bag. But this is the olive green soft leather. Pomana is the name of the bag. Now, on the Athena website, this bag comes in this olive green color, and it also comes in 3 additional colors: black, orange, and then like this red orange color. But they all have different names. So on first hand, like, looking at it, I honestly thought it was giving like wool.
Not like Sherpa.
It's actually leather and cloth. So I love that, because that's giving durability, giving very much quality. So when you open her up, I actually got these little stuffers from an Amazon package that I actually decided to stuff my bags with. I showed y'all that on Instagram, but don't throw these away if you get them in your Amazon package. But anywho, the inside of the bag is black lined, and it does have an inner pocket, so you can put your cards, your wallet, whatever you need to put in there. But the actual inside is very spacious. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip and show y'all what fits inside. You do have quite a large amount of space in here. So I have my feminine wipes, my light for contents, lip gloss, a pen, and a nail file. This is my oil blotting papers from Sephora. And then I have my mini pochette in here, which inside of here, I keep quite a few things. So I have my gift cards. Girl, not my purse falling. But I have my gift cards here, my actual ID and all of my cards in there, more lip gloss, sanitary napkins, some cash, a hair tie, and some napkins. So this is like if I needed to grab this out of my bag real quick and run inside the store, that's what I would grab. The actual bag and what all fits inside of it. Now the straps, you can wear it crossbody or you can wear it as a shoulder bag. I don't feel like the chains are too loud or too heavy, so I appreciate that. I'm a crossbody girl, and let me be very clear, I am not, like, usually I'm a tote girl, the largest of largest bags, but I'm trying to shift into like everyday bags, mid-sized bags, smaller bags, so that's why I picked this one up. And honestly, I was very, very close to ordering the black one, but something was like, no sis, like you have enough black bags, just order the olive green. So I'm so glad that I did. But like, this is a statement piece. You can dress her up, which I prefer to do, or you can also dress her down. Honestly, I feel like the material of this bag gives you more room to dress her up or down. Now the cloth leather material, I have to go back to that because I feel like that would have me hesitant. Like if I'm looking at it on a video, I feel like I'll be like, I don't know if I like that material, but it doesn't snag. It keeps its, what's the word? Its appearance. Like it doesn't get rough or like those lint balls or anything. I feel like the quality of it and the longevity of the bag is there. Like very well put together. No issues with threading, no issues with anything, honestly, material wise. So I 10 out of 10 would recommend it. I think it's very spacious, it's very lightweight as well, and it's just a unique bag. Like it has the Athena logo here on the front of the bag. Hope y'all can see that. And it's also very, very soft. So when you close this bag on the front, it does have a magnetic snap closure, so very easy to open and close the bag. Now the price point of this bag is $149.99. With tax, I want to say it came to like $156.96. Don't quote me on the change, but it was like $156 with tax, shipping, and everything included. So for a price point, I think it's worth it. I think you'll get a lot of use out of it. Again, it definitely holds its weight as far as when I put it up in my closet, I don't have to worry about it taking the shape of my wires. Like I have a wire closet where my bags sit on a shelf, and some of my bags, the material is so soft that it'll imprint. I don't have to worry about that with this one. So if you're a little more rough with your bags, i.e. me, I feel like this is very forgiving and you don't have to worry about it. Now stain wise, I have not, let's knock on wood, wherever the wood is, child. Not me knocking in the air. But stain wise, I feel like you do need to be careful. If I were to spill like coffee or something on this material, I'm not sure how I would get that off. Not even gonna hold you. But with that being said, just be very, very careful with the bag. And then I don't know if I mentioned, but he also on the website will offer an option where you can pay for the bag in 4 interest-free payments. So if $149.99 is out of your budget, definitely take advantage of that option as well. But I just wanted to show y'all this bag. I am so in love with it. I'm very, very glad that I went with this color. Again, the owner, shout out to you, because I feel like an owner that adds that personal touch and allows the consumer to be connected to the brand, like that just hits home for me. It does it for me. I don't know what else to say. Like, I feel like when I wear this brand, I know the cause that I'm supporting. I know the owner behind it, and I know the face behind it, the personality, like all the things. So definitely check out the website, check out the Instagram page. And what I will say, he does release limited stock. Like this bag is still available as of today, so you can add it to your cart. But the black is sold out, the orange is sold out. The orange red might be still available. But say all that to say, when he drops a bag, you need to hop on it. Like there's no guarantee that it's still going to be available. Sometimes he'll only release a certain amount. So I love that, because I feel like not many people will have this bag in the world. And that I wouldn't say that's very, very important to me, child. I don't care if we walking down the street and we got the same bag, baby, we both cute. But I think that adds a unique touch to the brand. He does have a bunch of different styles. So he has wristlets, bags this size, larger tote bags, like all the things. So let me know if y'all have any questions below. Thank you for watching. I will include some mod shots after this, so definitely stay tuned. I am 5'7". I filmed this video twice, okay? So the mod shots are coming from the first video, and listen, that's all I'm gonna say, because it's been a long, hard road to get to this video, but here we are. So.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart.
That I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.